What is going on, guys? I've just been editing this video together that you guys are about to see, and while it was uploading I've just noticed that this is actually our 300th video on Digging for Dinner. That's a huge number of videos to make in just a few years, so yeah, keep subscribing, keep watching, keep liking the videos, keep sharing, and I'll continue to make another 300 videos. So yeah, enjoy this one and I will see you soon. How you doing? Yeah? Good, mate. I'm showing people on YouTube what everyone's doing. How you doing, mate? You all right? Do you mind being on there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? I'm just showing people what everyone's doing.
I mean, look, people think it's wet.
Yes.
Not that wet. Look, that one looks wet.
Yep.
I dig it. It's all right.
It's dry underneath.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Easy digging.
Easy.
Yeah.
Got to be strong.
Yeah.
What ones are yours here? Have you got that one as well?
Both.
You got both? Oh my God, you're hard working. Yeah, that's the guy, man. I didn't know you had both.
No. That's I share with my father.
Right.
I share with my wife.
Oh, nice.
My father is passed away this June.
Oh, did he?
This June, yeah.
Sorry to hear that, mate.
So,
Oh.
never mind.
And you're still working
Still
it?
here, yeah.
Yeah, wow.
I
Good
took
man.
tattoos out last week.
All right.
Yeah. Big ones. Big
Oh,
ones.
really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You might see the taste. It's totally different taste than shops.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely.
Everything is different taste.
Yes.
Even grapes.
Oh yeah,
I
they
know
do.
they're
Yeah.
a bit sour.
Yep.
You don't get hot weather, you see.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
I put some over there, seedless ones, the brown ones.
The best ones.
Yeah.
Nice.
Over there. I'm going to take these out.
Yeah.
So,
Can we have a look round just to show what you're doing? 'Cause
Yeah,
you've done
yeah.
really well, man. Really well.
I took that end yesterday.
Where the colours change.
Yeah.
Wow.
I done that one yesterday.
Yeah, yeah.
And I put garlic here. I'm going to do that bit. Maybe,
Wow.
Maybe on Sunday, I mean tomorrow and
Yeah.
Saturday rain.
Yeah.
And Monday rain. But look at this one, I've done that. It's prepared for next year potatoes.
Oh, potatoes. This
Yeah.
whole thing.
Yeah, whole lot.
Wow.
I had this one, whole lot, this one.
Yeah.
They're gone.
Yeah, already.
Yeah, my grandchildren, they like chips.
Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Roast.
Yeah.
These are winter onions.
Oh, nice.
And
Fig tree.
it's what you call figs.
Is it fig? Yeah. Oh wow. That's been there a few years.
Yeah, most of these are coming off.
Yeah.
Next year they're growing and they get big. This year we had a lot.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Got some plants over there. Fruit plants. 3 plants. These trees are plums.
Oh wow. This is like a little garden what you've done here.
Then 3 are pears.
Wow.
4 and 2 apples. These are nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. What you call them? The round ones. You crack them and
Walnuts?
with a crack. Yeah, walnuts.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know any of this was here. This is awesome.
Yeah, that's a big tree over there. This is like a peach.
Oh, is it?
I had one this year.
You've had a
Last
peach
year-
from this one?
Yeah, last year I had 3.
Wow.
There's one plant over there.
This is awesome. Can I walk down here?
Yeah, sure.
This is really cool.
These flowers come from
These are from India.
Yeah.
And what are they?
Oh, I don't know what they call. They are coming
Wow.
up. See?
They come
They
up
come every year.
in autumn.
I don't. I'm just when they die, I take them out. The seeds fall.
Oh, like self-seed. Wow. This is awesome what you've done here. This is like a hidden garden.
Leaves are going to live there. Dig them. No manure.
Yes. Yes. Free manure.
So,
Yeah. This is really good, mate. I love this. This is awesome. When you see from the road.
Surplus stuff.
Yeah, you've got a lot going on.
Use
Like I say,
it.
when you see from the road, you think it's just this,
Yeah, no.
but you've got this.
Yeah.
This is really cool. Oh wow, look at the apples as well.
Look. You can take them if you want.
Oh, I'll leave them be, mate. That's
What
all right.
What are these? If you got to cut them and the worms go in there.
Yes.
You got to take them out, but otherwise the apples are beautiful.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah.
don't spray them. I don't spray at all.
You don't? Good. I don't either. Although I ain't got this
Yeah,
many trees.
yeah.
I've only got one tree, cherry tree.
Put pears like this.
Yes.
Once you plant them, you don't nothing to look after it.
That's it, yeah. Take care of itself, yeah. This is awesome, guys. Well, I think you've done really well. How long have you been here?
30 years.
30 years.
This is my sitting room.
Oh wow. This is your wow. This is huge. What? Are you serious?
The roof come bit low.
Right.
So I put pallets beneath.
Oh,
That's
did
why
you?
I raise the floor.
Right.
Well, I notice after it's going to be that bit low.
This is really good. Yeah, that works though, doesn't it? Can I have a walk through?
Yeah.
This is so
Look in there.
cool. I could live in here.
Oh.
I could live in here. These even got a storage room.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah. This is the. I built this for first one.
Oh yeah.
Then this very old gate.
Yeah.
It come off. The side gate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Recycling though, isn't it?
Mm.
Wow. Isn't this guy done good?
This,
My God.
This chestnut.
Oh yeah.
My father bought it in 1965, 66.
Wow. My
He
God.
was
What's that?
living in
40,
flat.
40, 50 years old?
Yeah. When he moved with me,
Yeah.
he said, I want to keep it. I said, look, Dad, the kids are not going to like it. He said, put it here. Put it here.
Fair enough.
People coming and sitting there.
This is awesome. This is what I wanted to build originally,
Yeah.
something like this, because it's just so nice.
It's not very posh. But
Doesn't need
looks
to
like,
be.
You've done something and,
It's so usable.
yeah,
Greenhouse.
Yeah. I'm going to put this white ones. White one.
Oh, like
on
clear?
top, yeah.
Right, right.
Wow.
Wow.
Got windows.
Look how neat everything is.
Yeah. You want some, you can have it.
Oh mate, I'll leave you to it. You've done well. You've done really well.
They're
I'll
just
take your
laying
stuff.
there. You need some, take them.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you.
The glass is going to be there. I have no chance.
Yeah.
See, I got bad knees.
I know you have, mate. Yeah, I know.
I
This guy's got bad knees. Look what he does. You got no excuse.
I made the one plant for my brother-in-law.
Oh yeah.
It's already coming up.
Is that cutting?
I put the cutting in there
Yeah.
last year.
Oh wow. And it's took. Wow.
That's a year old.
Wow.
So I got some with the. I'm going to trim it. They're going to leave it last.
Yes. Wow.
Me and my wife had a lot of these.
You did?
Coriander green. And,
Oh, that's all coriander. Nice.
it's not going to die.
Yes. That'd go over winter, wouldn't it? Yeah, yeah.
Beans still there. Chop them off.
Yeah. You've done really well. I'm impressed, mate.
See, I do the digging first, which in rain you can't do it.
You do the digging now before it freezes.
Yeah.
Right, right, right.
So this is prepared, just prepared.
Preparation
Yeah.
is the key. Preparation.
I'll leave this one to the last. So
Yes.
it's going to take more time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And with your weeds, do you spray them off or just dig them
No,
out?
just dig it.
Just
Keep
dig
digging
it. Just
Kill
dig it. Yeah.
It makes more manure.
Yes.
Look at that one. Leaves, my wife put them.
Oh
Or
yeah.
spread them.
Yes.
They die.
Die back. Yeah.
Or put them on there.
Oh yeah.
Leave a year. That good manure.
Free manure. Yeah. Wow, you've got it right. A lot of work though, but
Most of things you recycle.
well, I've got to say, mate, I admire you. The amount you've done. I know
Yeah.
you've been here 30 years, but it doesn't. This is incredible.
Look at
You manage all of this.
Everything is coming healthy.
How long have these been here? Your strawberries?
I put them last year.
Oh, last year. Oh, nice.
Early last year.
And I like this. What you've done. You've banked up all the
I put them.
to divide it.
Now I put garlic in here. I'm
This
going to
garlic,
dig that
yeah.
up, I'm going to put more garlic in January, end of January,
Oh, are you? Oh, yeah.
and put in stages.
Yes.
So this crop is not like English winter because too much damp.
Right.
Come from a hot country.
Oh, right. Okay.
So
So it should.
the garlic don't like too much water.
Yes. Start to rot away, don't they?
Yeah.
What is
That's
this?
the white, like these are carrots. Yeah.
Oh, you still got your carrots? Oh, wow.
The snails come.
Oh, they do, yeah.
Yeah.
But you do it organically, don't you? So.
There are turnips over there.
Yeah.
I don't plant them. Seeds will come, fall, they grow
Yeah.
themselves.
That's self-seeded, the
Yeah,
turnips?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, look at this.
I see a lot of people overcomplicate it. And this guy's like, just leave your turnips to go to seed and you'll get new turnips next year.
Yeah.
Why not? Wow. Well, thank you very much for showing us
No
around.
problem,
This has
no
been
problem.
awesome.
I like to see people come and see how we work. They should get some idea.
Yeah.
Some new people come, they just go.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah,
Nothing
yeah.
too much. It's never too much.
No. You just got to be on top of it.
Yeah. You got to keep it under control.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you can't leave it. Do tomorrow, the day.
No,
Tomorrow
no.
never comes.
No, it's true.
You do today.
Yeah, so true.
See, I mean, if you walk in there, it will sink your foot in there.
Sink.
So
Yeah,
too
that's
soft.
really airy, isn't it? Yeah.
Airy and too much manure in there.
Yes.
Make it soft.
Yeah.
That's why potatoes come good healthy.
Yes. You had a good crop. Yeah. Good. Good.
I show you. But then I put up the bike. Have a look in there. That's going to be seed next, next year.
This is your seed. This is what
Yeah.
you've grown.
Yeah.
Some of the sizes of them
Yeah,
you
look
had
at
though.
that.
My God. Wow.
They are not healthy.
Yes.
They are like the holes and this and that.
Oh yeah,
which
the insects and things.
Wife doesn't like it.
And do they not, when you, because people will want to know this, when you grow your own potatoes and you
Yeah.
harvest them to save the seed,
Yeah.
do you not get any diseases? You don't? And how often, say for example, if you grew these and next year harvested the seed, how many times
About
can you
3
do
or 4
it?
years.
Oh really? From the same seed? Wow.
So, because I don't use chemicals.
Yes.
This is the fact.
That's the key, isn't
I
it?
show you the other
Yeah.
potatoes.
Yeah,
over
yeah.
There. Please do believe me.
Oh my God. No way.
Yeah. My wife, she sent them for
Wow.
next year's seeds.
Wow.
Yeah.
And they were straight out the ground.
Yeah.
Wow. My God.
Oh wow.
You do well. You
It's
do
my
good.
hobby, my friend.
Yes.
Because my background is farming.
Yes.
Back home.
Oh really?
55 years.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
My God. I bet you've seen some changes on here then.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, farmers can't sit on their ass most
No.
of the time because they want to do something. Always
Yes.
want to do something.
Always on the go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you, there's always anything you grow here.
Yes.
The taste is totally different.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, my friend.
All right,
See
take
you
it
then.
easy. I'll see you
Take
soon.
them out one or two
Yeah.
at a time.
Thank you for showing us around.
Sure.
Take care. I'll see you soon, mate. Well, there you go, guys. He was a farmer in India when he decided to move here and set up basically his own little small holding on the allotment site. I can't believe how much land he's actually got. It's really impressive, and it just goes to show, and even he said himself, you can't leave it, you've got to chip away, you know, little bit by little bit. It can be really daunting when you first take on an allotment plot that's full of weeds, but little bit by little bit you can get there and you can turn it into something really, really sustainable. Incredible. That was fun, and I love these little private garden that was at the back. He did say he'd lost his dad and that was his dad's plot, and he wanted to keep the trees going, so he did say he was going to watch the video, so give this a thumbs up so he can see your appreciation for the work that he's done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, as always, like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.